Welcome back. Let's get straight into it. Today we're going to be doing the top 40 from number 31 to 40. Cronos, ApeCoin, Algorand, VeChain, Neo Protocol, Hedera, Internet Computer, Filecoin, and we'll end it with EOS. Let's get straight into Cronos. So for Cronos against BTC, yeah, we're expecting Cronos to complete, hopefully we complete a symmetrical triangle over here, right? And A, B, C, D, E, boom! We go crazy for crypto.com. Best case scenario, right? CRO against USDT. Yeah, we're still in a downward spiral. No clear signs of a tradable chart pattern. So yeah, more downsides to be expected. I think we'll take out this low. New all-time lows probably for crypto.com coin. We can't say for sure exactly how much lower, but I think we'll probably breach into 5 cents territory. So yeah, as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain bearish for crypto.com against USDT. ApeCoin, Ape against BTC. Where's April BTC? Ape BTC, yeah, Ape BTC isn't really that bearish, you know, to be honest. We are kind of moving sideways, which is actually good. So yeah, but the thing is that this is not what you would call as a tradable chart pattern. Of course, we could still head lower, and sure, we could be heading higher, but yeah, in terms of our tradability, it's not that clear. But yeah, it feels like accumulation is happening. Ape against USDT, we are in some sort of a falling wedge channel. We're expecting the resistance to break eventually, and yeah, it's not particularly bearish, neither is it bullish. So Ape is a strange puppy. It's a little strange for us, and yeah, there's just no actionable information. Algorand, Silvio Macaulay. What's happening, Silvio? Everything is falling for Algorand. We've already taken out these lows, and we're just gonna consider that this is no longer an ABCDE. We're expecting a very nice consolidation to happen for Algorand, right? But yeah, we're already taken up the lows. If you look at it on CoinMarketCap, it's gone. The lows, right? The lows over here, it's gone. So yeah, we're gonna have to move on from here. ALGO against USDT. We've already hit the targets. We had a target over here, 20 cents. When did we hit this target? We had this target. Let me just change the color first from orange to light. No. Style. We change it to green. Yeah, 20 cents. This was a target that we had. Let me just click here. 21st of September. 3 freaking months, and we've already hit the target. Ta-da! Technical analysis works, guys. It absolutely works. So yeah, again, more downside to be expected. Yeah, Algorand has already taken out the lows of BTC. Will we take out the lows of USD? We are not too sure. Algorand USD, look at it on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, it looks like we're heading towards the lows, the all-time lows. Could we be forming a new all-time low for Algorand? Possibly. So you gotta be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon. As long as the trend is still bearish, we have to remain with our bearish bias for Algorand as well. I mean, if we don't take out the lows, right, and we start seeing a curve back up, this would be great, right? We could get a very nice squeeze over here. ABCDE, right? A, B, C, D, E. Woo! This would be great. So yeah, we'll take things one step at a time, right? VeChain, VET against VTC. Yeah, VeChain is not really looking that good. We don't see any clear signs of a tradable chart pattern. We see huge mountains, right? Mountains. Every time we rise, we get slapped down. We rise, we get slapped down. We rise. Are we gonna get slapped down? Way back to square one? We don't know. We're hitting the skinny pink line though, so there is some possibility of the skinny pink line breaking in the not too far future, right? But yeah, we don't really see it yet on VeChain, so we are trading cautiously, right? We are trading, we're walking cautiously. We've already hit target number 1. Let me just draw a target first. Ta-da! 1.6 cents. We got this on the 22nd of September, again 3 months ago. And after that, another 2 more months later, on the 17th of November, which was 1 month ago, we had another target over here at 123 cents, which means that we're expecting 0.618 to be taken out. So we might dip a little bit, take out the lows over here, pew pew, and after that maybe see some sort of a reversal for VeChain against USDT. So yeah, more downside is to be expected for VeChain. I don't think it's done yet, so be very, very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for VeChain, because it feels like there's still more downside. We still have another target remaining. So many coins have already been, not so many, just two coins have already hit targets, right? There are a few more, but we will run through it, right? Near against BTC. Yeah, it just keeps dropping. No clear tradable chart patterns, so we are aware of the bearishness way back here, right? Near against UDST. What's UDST? Near against USDT. Yeah, again, we've already hit all targets. We've already run out of targets. We're not too sure how much lower things are going to go. Is this a 1, 2, 3, right? We're going to get a 4, and then maybe another one, 5, before seeing some sort of a reversal, right? So wave 5 might bring us down to sub $1 into, yeah, less than $1. Right now we're at $1.30, and we're very overextended. So I feel like a rally is not too far away. That's what I feel. A rally is not too far away. So yeah, stay safe. Stay safe. I don't think the bear trend is done yet, because we're still under the skinny pink line, and you can see that we've already pulled. We're pulling away from the skinny pink line, so it shows the bearishness of things for near protocol. HBAR against BTC. So for HBAR against BTC, it's not good. We still have huge targets towards the downside, right? 170. We're at 255. So this is still quite a lot, to be honest. I suspect that eventually Hedera Hashgraph will probably take out the lows over here. Eventually. So it is not good, boys. It is not good, boys and girls. HBAR against USDT. We're almost at our target at 3.9 cents. But I fear that there is still more downside to come for Hedera Hashgraph. We're probably going to take out the lows over here. I'm not so sure, but I feel like we could also be taking out the lows over here at sub 2 cents, 1.7 cents, something like that. So yeah, but the tradability is just not really that clear, right? So yeah, you gotta stay safe. If anything, if I were to count the waves for HBAR towards the downside, 1, 2, excuse me, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so we might hit targets, and then I think there might be a rally, right, before we drop, maybe even lower. So yeah, be very careful, right? We're still under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still largely bearish. So be very, very careful about rushing to a trade too soon, right? ICP against BTC. So for internet computer, we've already hit our targets. We had the target at 2060. The bottom of this particular candlestick is 2050. So woohoo, woohoo. Let's just, yeah, so we've already hit targets. This was a target that we got on the 22nd of September 2022. So woohoo. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. How much lower are we going to go? We don't know. We're not too sure ourselves, but yeah, we respect chart patterns, and if we see a very high quality chart patterns, a high quality chart pattern, then it will tell us very likely what's going to happen, and the likeliest thing to happen has already happened. So there you go. Reading charts is like I said, a very important skill to have, right? $3.30. We are at $3.35. So freaking close to hitting targets. So I think we might just do a little dip, and then we hit our targets, right? So yeah, ICP has been on a huge downward trajectory ever since getting listed. So it's just not really doing that well, right? And yeah, we're still under the skinny pink line. We're still in a bearish bias. So as the saying goes, the trend is your friend. Try not to do knife catching, or I'm not particularly that comfortable or fond with DCA, because I don't think it's a good idea, because we don't know where the bottom is. So yeah, be careful, right? Be very careful. The end may not be too far away, but still be careful nevertheless. Filecoin against BTC. Look at this dip. Yeah, more downside. I think so. I think more downside is to be expected, right? Filecoin was listed in 2017, and look at where Filecoin is right now, right? It's just not doing very well, and you can see that this was a mountain range, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3, mountain range, and yeah, we collapse. Moreover, we are under the skinny pink line, right? So as long as you are under the skinny pink line, remain biased, bearish. Filecoin against USDT. We've hit targets. Ta-da! Target number 1 here. I think we just got this target right before it collapsed, right? Where was this? 15th of December, 2022. We still have another target over here at $2.40. I don't think we've hit it yet, have we? 241. Ooh, almost there, boys. We're almost there. So I think this will probably be a continuation towards the downside, towards $2.40. Looks like it, feels like it. So yeah, again, more downside to be expected for Filecoin. Filecoin is just, you know, if you have been shorting it all the way down, you'll be swimming in money by now. Filecoin is not doing well. EOS against BTC. Any clear signs of a tradable chart pattern? No. Ever since hitting the peak over here in 2018 and crossing the skinny pink line in July, right? We have been on a downward spiral. Things have not been going well for EOS, and yeah, no signs of a reversal. It's already been 4 years, and so yes, it's just not, you know, doing what we're expecting it to do, right? Even EOS against USD, it's just lackluster, I'd say, right? Hopefully, maybe when the next bull run comes, we might get an inverse head and shoulders, right? And then this could take us to Valhalla, if this were to happen, right? So we need to see the bullish reversal chart pattern come in first. Until that happens, yeah, we are going to remain cautious and we're not going to be rushing into anything for EOS. Alright, so I guess that's it for today's Crypto Top 40. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Alright, see you. Ta-da!